The master to inspire this week's painting is Paul Cézanne, an artist known for his avant-garde painting technique. Paul Cézanne, who lived between the years 1839 and 1906, was a French painter whose artworks brought about completely new modes of painting. His unique brushworks formed a bridge between the late 19th century Impressionism and early 20th century Cubism. As a French avant-garde artist, Cézanne created a pictorial language by transforming the Impressionists' brushwork technique. He put more emphasis on the loose Impressionists' brushstrokes by underlaying the structure of the objects. Through a new process of color modulation and organization, he reinvented the academic design methods. Cézanne's technique of repetitive and probing brushstrokes is highly characteristic and clearly recognizable. He uses planes of color and short brushstrokes to build up forms in his paintings. The artworks of Paul Cézanne shows his intense study of the subjects. His painting of the card players sold for $250 million about 14 years ago. Cézanne spent most of his youth in search of finding the unique technical ability in expressing his images until he finally found Picasso in mid-1860s. Their original relationship was between a master and a disciple, but slowly their friendship became much closer to the point that they would go to nature to paint together. The uniqueness of Paul Cézanne's painting was that he would make a solid plane of color like Gauguin, and then in each one of these planes he would apply glazing method to develop depth. That is what Picasso took from Cézanne to develop his Cubism technique. Now let's look into some of his unique brushstroke technique.